What is going on, guys? Say hello to Thea. There's my cat. Um, Today we're just going to go over the Telegram channels and just give you an update on what's going on. If you want to check out the analysis on the trades taken yesterday, there is another YouTube video I uploaded earlier, and that will be under live trading, and you can go check that one out. But this one's just going to be going over the Telegram real quick. So, boom, here's the Telegram. There's my free trading Telegram the link will be below as well. And then we have the gold premium chat and the gbpjpy premium chat. And you can see, let me just do this. My camera might be in the way, so I'll do it like this. Here you can see yesterday on gold, we had this trade that was called out. We was currently, I think, 5 winning trades in a row across gold and GJ. Up until yesterday, we had this loss on GJ. So here you can see I called out, the loss on gold yesterday. So here I called out gold sell stops, entry, stop loss, take profit. Here's the trade. And then as you can see, we got triggered in, price went into profit a little bit, and then we had this massive reversal, which is fine. Basically, I was just following the trend. As you can see, the trend is currently down, but price was finding it hard to break below the support. So here you can see adjusting gold stop loss, and then gold stop loss hit. That's 1% for the day after the GJ trade. So the GJ, so this was minus 2%, and the GJ trade was plus 1%. So this was the GJ trade called out. Here you go, gbpjpy sell stops, entry, stop loss, take profit. And then that was posted at 3:04, and then you can see at 5:52. So almost 3 hours later, we can see that gold gbpjpy triggered us in and hit our take profit in the same candle. So we wasn't in the trade for 3 hours. We was waiting for the setup to get triggered for 3 hours, and then it triggered in the last hour. So it was probably in the trade, I think it was like 30 minutes to 45 minutes maybe. So that was the GJ trade. So in the GJ premium, we've got 7 members. In the gold, we've got 9 members. And basically, I've updated the service. So now you can either get gold premium signals for $49.99 a week, basically because gold is what I trade, and I'm more accustomed to trading gold. So I'm more comfortable with the gold setups. Whereas GJ, obviously, if we take a look back at the charts on GJ, we can see here at the setups, there was no trade here, no trade here. We had 1 win, 2 win, 3 wins, 4 wins, 5 wins, 6 wins. I think this one was break even, sorry. 7 wins, 8 wins, break even, 9 wins, 10 wins, 11 wins, 12, 13, 1 loss, 13 win, 1 loss, win, break even, win. So that's like 15 wins, 1 loss, 2 break-even trades or something like that, just to take a quick look back. So the GJ signals channel and the GJ setups are still clean. They're still good. They still obviously work out a lot. But I more so trade gold, and I'm more comfortable and accustomed to trading gold as opposed to GJ with this specific strategy. But as you can see from just looking back quickly on the charts, GJ is just as good as gold. And you can get GJ for cheaper. So you can get GJ for half the price, $24.99, because I wanted to offer a cheaper alternative. So you can also donate. I don't know why that's there. I don't know how I ended up putting that there. What happens if I click this? Donations. How would you like to donate to? Please enter a number. Oh, okay, Jesus. So it's a donation thing. I'll try and take that off somehow. But yeah, you go onto here, it will come up with start. You can see the I think you have to agree to the TOS, which is just a standard TOS. Like trading is, you know, the usual TOS stuff. Like this is financial. This is not a financial advice. This is blah blah blah. All that kind of stuff. We have no a strict no refund policy. By subscribing, you acknowledge and agree that you have carefully considered your decision and no refunds, blah, blah. Trading forex market involves substantial risk, etc. The usual TOS stuff. You have to agree to that. Then it'll tell you to put your email in, and then you'll be able to choose a plan. And yeah, you can get started straight away on any of those. So that is where we are at currently with the premium Telegram. We are 17 wins, which I wrote here somewhere. We are 17 wins. No, here, 17 wins, 3 losses, 5 break-even trades, right? So, for example, the wins are 1%, so that's 17% so far, right? And the losses will be minus 2%. So you can see we have much less losses than wins. So 17% plus losses of 2%, so that's 2, 4, 6, 3 losses. So take away 6% is 11%, and that's 11% from the 1st of June. That is just from this, that's just from this month. So that's 11% so far for the month of June, which is really good returns in terms of in investment or something like that. So, you know, a lot of people aim for 10% growth within a year or a few months, or quarterly, or, you know, half a year. They'll aim for that 10% gain. You know, a lot of investments, if you're putting money into kind of, you know, say like a stock or something like that, 10% in a month is considered crazy returns, right? So that's where we're at, 11% for the month so far on gold and GJ. So yeah, also if you join the free Telegram, you will get, you can see here I just uploaded, congratulations to Luke Sainsbury, who has just won a 1-month free membership for liking and commenting on the previous YouTube video. So that was one from a few days ago. It was this one right here. He commented and liked that, and so he won the 1-month free membership. So he'll contact me soon, or I'll contact him. So this is the most recent one. So if you join the free Telegram, go and like and comment on this YouTube video, you will go into the running to win a 1-month free membership to either the GJ or gold, whichever one you want. So yeah, really good results. Really happy with how the premium channels are going. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. I will answer them, and that will also put you into the running to win the 1-month free membership as well in the free Telegram. So yeah, you know, all good. Coming to the end of the month here, we've got 1, 2, 3. We've got 4 trading days left of this month. We'll see how tonight goes with GJ and gold, and I'll keep you updated with the next video. News, in terms of news, we've had all the major news now for this month, as you can see. You know, interest rate decision, inflation, Bank of Japan interest rate decision, GDP, unemployment, etc. for pound. We've got a nice clean week ahead of us. Let's have a look at US. This could potentially, you know, be something to look out for, the Fed chair Powell speech. But other than that, it should be a pretty decent week for gold. Gold looks like it's starting to drop, which was my initial analysis last night. So, you know, if it wasn't time for it to drop, it wasn't time. There's not much I can do about that. So we'll see what happens with gold here below this level today. And I'll be updating the premium members on that, and the same with GJ. See if GJ can continue to move bullish, or whether GJ is going to kind of break this level, and potentially we could be looking at some sales here on GJ tonight. Or if it bounces from here and doesn't break this low, we can potentially be looking at buys on GJ back up to continue this overall bullish structure. So we'll see what happens. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the free Telegram or the premium Telegram. Completely up to you. Peace out.